back at you with another video as promised. In this video, I'm doing a fade. I'm using my wall seniors, my NST outliners to hit the lineup. And I'm basically just doing the same steps that I would usually do, which would be starting off with my first guideline, clipper closed, and then moving on up to opening up my clipper, creating my second guideline, coming back down, closing the clipper halfway, and then from there blending that bottom line out, then going up with my number one guard, clipper all the way open, creating another guideline, and then coming back down. So basically working up one step and then going back one step and then going up one step and then going back one step. And that's pretty much how I do a lot of these fades. Sometimes I'll switch it up from time to time, but in this video I kind of just want to let the music play, let you guys see what I'm doing. So I pretty much have already broken it down. I will perform some clipper over comb, and also at the end of the video I'm using my 9-inch shears to cut the top. And so, you know, as you can see, he has really thick hair, so it'd be kind of difficult to do the regular scissor over finger or shear over comb or any of the normal scissor techniques that you would use. So I pretty much just freestyle it, and I do a little bit of scissor over comb, but it's it's a different kind of a technique than what you would do on some regular straight hair. So, and like I said, make sure that you're going back and watching the previous videos, because that's going to give you a better understanding. And also, you know, it's going to make it so that I'm not, you know, for returning viewers, I'm not going to be kind of sound like a broken record, because that's the last thing I want to do. But I do want you guys to get the hang of what I'm doing and understand it, because it's really simple, and you will not believe how many emails I get from people that just can't get the bottom line out, or they can't get the hair to blend up top, or their fade isn't as long as they like it to be, or it's too short and looks too dark. Just all different type of questions, you know. So make sure you're watching and paying attention to everything that I'm doing here. And so, you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and let the music play. Make sure you guys are subscribed, because I'm gonna be trying to drop at least one video every week or so. And so, you know, that's the title of this video, is Bounce Back. So, you know, and that's actually the name of the beat as well, by my good friend producer 3D. So make sure you're subscribed and liking and commenting on the video. And again, any questions you guys have, go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right? Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace. quick, guys, you see where that line is. I just wanted to show you real quick. If you notice, I'm not using a 1/16 guard as usual. And if you notice in my last video, I talked about that. I brought up the fact that you barbers nowadays, you young and up and coming barbers, are lucky because you have that 1/16 guard. And about how many years back, I forget if it was 5 or 6 years back, we didn't have that. And maybe Wall had the guard and I just didn't know about it, but most of the barbers that I knew, that's the reason why they didn't want to use the Wall Seniors, because they couldn't get that line out. And that's where I perfected that technique of using the corner of the blade, is because, you know, if you didn't have a guard, that was really the only way you were going to get that bottom line out. So that's where that technique really comes from. And so, you know, I just wanted to reiterate on that real quick. But go ahead and finish watching the video, and make sure you guys are subscribed. Give me that thumbs up and share the video. Leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.